In March 2020, the world changed. The way we lived, worked, travelled and relaxed changed along with it. Words that were new to us became part of our dialect, and things that were regular and a staple part of our lives became scarce. Our world shrank from having global neighbours to merely the people next door. For many, work became work from home, and socialising became social distancing. And yet for many in our railway family, their role did not stop. Train crew delivered key workers to keep the nation moving. Maintenance and delivery staff ensured the railway ran safely. And a new appreciation was seen for cleaning and train presentation staff, keeping our network clean and safe at this critical time. 3 years on from that day when we were told we must stay at home, we gather to pay tribute and give thanks for those who have worked in our stations, depots, offices and trains through a difficult and dark season for our railway and our world. And yet there are many more to whom we owe our contemplations and recollections. We remember those who 3 years ago entered a time of pandemic with us, not knowing that they would not emerge. Many of us will have lost colleagues, friends and family. We may be missing someone from a family photo, a neighbouring desk, or our mess room next door. COVID-19 disturbed our life, our certainties and our relationships. It changed the way we act, the way we think and feel. It changed our definition of normal. And now as we recover, we acknowledge that some things will not be the same again. So today, 3 years on, while we recognise that today has worries and anxieties of its own, we pause to recall those who we lost during the pandemic, including those who we could not mourn at the time. We remember those affected by long COVID, and those whose lives and livelihoods have been impacted and disrupted by the social and economic cost of COVID. For those no longer with us, for those affected by illness and its effect, for those who are still grieving, weeping and mourning, and those still moved by the effects and consequences of COVID. For those in our railway family who work day in and day out, with thanks, we remember them together.